Today I'm announcing that Colm Holmes will become our UK General Insurance CEO. It's an appointment that I'm incredibly proud of. You know, I brought Colm into the organization almost 3 years ago now. And if you look at how closely a CEO and CFO work together, that actually sends the right message. But I think even broader than that, if you think about Aviva, actually being able to say to our staff right across the globe that for one of our key appointments we've gone internal, I think it speaks to a number of things. It speaks to the depth and talent that we had on our management team, but it also speaks to the process of how you actually create internal successors and then how you actually appoint them. Now, in turning to Colm, this is someone that I have the full confidence in. I mean, his career has spanned, multiple experiences, from working at JP Morgan to being group treasurer at Zurich to actually running, fairly substantive runoff books out of New York for Zurich. And he's obviously been a key part of my team. It's a terrific team. It's a team that I would put up against any other team in the market. And I look forward to working even closer with Colm in the years ahead, both as the leader of our UK General Insurance business, our largest General Insurance business, but also as a member of my Global GI Council.
Very excited. I mean, it's a great honor to be asked to become the CEO of a business the size of UK GI. And for Maurice, who was my boss for the last number of years, we have a superb leadership team. We've got a great underlying business. We've exited some businesses that we weren't comfortable with, but we've grown in other areas. And we're now in a position where we can only be very excited about the future. We are the number one in the market. So I'm not saying it's going to be easy to stay as number one, but our goal is to remain as number one, but get bigger and get better at what we do. And I firmly believe we have the capability to do that. I firmly believe we have the leadership team to do that. And I firmly believe we have the strategy. I look forward to continuing to work with Maurice, because the UK GI business is 50% of our global GI franchise, so therefore we're still a hugely important part of what Maurice is looking to develop. I've actually been overwhelmed at the quality of the people that we have here. Within GI, I think Maurice has built an extraordinary team of people, not just in terms of leadership skills and technical capabilities, but just the general relationship we have with each other. We work as a team. So I think it's crucially important to ensure that directionally the entire GI business, both in the UK and within other countries, continues to move forward as it has been. We need to build off success, but I'd much rather build off success than build off a problem and a turnaround. And we've had that success, but I think we're at the start of it, and I think there's much more to come. And I think working closely with Maurice, I'm absolutely certain that the outcome for GI is that we will go from strength to strength.
And I think the other thing that's really important is he and I have been part of a great team. A team that I would rank up there with any team, even outside of the UK. He shares that view of the team, and I think he will look to continue to build the strength of that team so that we get the most out of it. And if the previous 3 years are any indication, I'm feeling pretty good about 16, 17, 18 as well.